this video, we are fixing an issue with GWXUX has stopped working error. It's an application which is part of Windows 10 update program and is installed by an automatic Windows update referenced as KB3035583. There have been no announcements or explanation from Microsoft as to why they have pushed this update, but it is supposed to install pop-ups and invites you to download Windows 10. This update can be uninstalled from Windows Updates list via Control Panel. When an unauthorized program shows you unwanted pop-ups, it is then called as a PUP, potentially unwanted program. Now you have a choice of running the troubleshooter if you want to keep the GWXUX update. As a first step, you can download and run Reimage Plus to scan for corrupt files. The link is given in the video's description. It can, if files are found to be corrupt and missing, repair them and then see if GWX has stopped error is resolved. The first step is to start the troubleshooter. Now click on Start and then type troubleshooting. Click on Troubleshoot. Once you are here, and we need to find the Windows update here. Let's say we need to fix issues with Windows Update. We click on Run Troubleshooter. Wait for the wizard to finish and try. If you're given an option like this, click on Try Troubleshooting as an administrator. If you are given an option that it did found something and it wants to apply some fix, click on Apply this fix. It says pending system changes that require a reboot. Let's click on Next. So as it states that there's a pending restart, so it's better to restart your computer and then try running the wizard again and see if you get any additional problems. The second step is to, or the second method is to uninstall the update, and let's click on Start and type Control Panel. Let's go to Programs. Let's say View Installed Updates. Here, if you find KB3035583, click on that and then click on Uninstall, like this. Once done, your PC should restart. Um, I'll recommend to set updates to manual and avoid getting such updates. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.